About this item specifications: output, DC 12V2A, compatible with 0.5A, 1A, 1.5A and 2A, 24W maximum compatibility, 12V universal car charger for small home electronics, Snail seat cushion, Spectra S1 S2 breast pump, portable DVD player, CD player, portable lunchbox, Bluetooth speaker, piano keyboard, external hard drive, mini fan, LED light strip, camera, charging station, MP3, MP4, router, air purifier, CCTV, air cooler, tire inflator, blower and many more 12V devices. Versatility: this car charger comes with 8 common connectors plus a free charging cable for HQ8505, DC jack size, 5.5 x 2.1 mm, 8 connectors. 5.5 x 2.5 mm, / 4.8 x 1.7 mm,